Here we are at the market in Ajijic, Mexico, and we're getting our fresh produce, which is wonderful. I'm going back for some mushrooms and some figs because having figs in the fridge all winter is wonderful. And produce and proteins are amazing. Ajijic, spelled Ajijic, Mexico, is on Lake Chapala, and it is the largest berry producing area for all of North America. We are so fortunate to be able to have an abundance: strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries. In addition, fresh figs all winter long. How inspiring is this little bag of vegetables? The women in the market do all the work for me. So I buy these bags, they're about a kilo, and I think it costs me about $2. If you'd like to join us on this amazing Mexican adventure, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We will be introducing all kinds of new international flavors, and we'll show you quick, easy, delicious, and healthy cooking.